It's cold. Ramen? Stir-fried noodles? Wow! Fried noodles party? Wow! Awesome! There are so many. Fried noodle challenge? Winner first, rock, scissors, paper. Yes! I'm first. I'm ready. Please! Bad food. Yes! Mayonnaise! Go go! Oh yes! Big sausage. Fire spicy noodles. 신라면 fried noodles. With sausage. It looks so good. Very delicious. It's best. Good smell. Mayonnaise. Wow, let's begin. It looks so spicy. Very delicious. It's creamy. Round 2. Winner first, rock, scissors, paper. I lost again. Go. Please, good one, please. Fire spicy sauce. Let's go. No, you can't. Triangular gimbap. Or type of cheese. Bibimbap noodles. Let's go fire sauce. Oh. Smell, spicy smell. It smells so spicy. It's too hot. This isn't right. Triangular gimbap, bibimbap noodles together. Wow, I envy you. It's awesome. It has a beef patty. Wow, it's meat. Round 3. Winner first, rock, scissors, paper. Winner first, rock, scissors, paper. Winner first, rock, scissors, paper. Yes, I won. I will go first. No, please. It's ambiguous. It's my turn. Yes! Chicken! Rose fried spicy noodles. Sweet but spicy. It's weird. Ooh, spaghetti! It's awesome, right? 대박! She's your lot. Delicious. What? It's good?